I'm done cleaning the house. It's clean. I washed. I washed my clothes. I also washed my plates. So yesterday I was not able to record everything because the space in my phone got finished. So I just, washed every single plate here. I washed every single plate, every single pot in that cabinet. I cleaned everything, brought out all the food stuff that were there, the ones that had finished, cleaned everything there. So I was also able to cook yesterday. That's what you saw me warming, heating up when there was light. So currently there's no light. If there was light all throughout the night. This is the carrot I bought yesterday. I had only one yesterday actually, so I'm yet to unpack my things. This two bag and that one there. I arranged my book yesterday also. I dusted every single place. So I'm so happy that I was able to accomplish all this between yesterday and today. So the time is currently 7:30. Yes, the time is currently 7:30. So I woke up pretty very early to do all my work. One thing about me is that I'm an early person. I love doing my work very early in the morning, not when the sun has already is set already. So for my daily devotional, I made use of Open Heaven last year. I see 2024. I made use of it last year and it really helped me in more. Can you see that? Nice. So I was given this when I went for NDPC, National Delegates Prayer Conference. So this is my new daily devotional in the year 2025. I'll also be using my Open Heaven. So I think I'll be using this in the morning or in the evening. Then I'll use the Open Heaven. I'll use my Open Heaven in the morning. Then I'll make use of my anchor in the evening. So today is Wednesday and I'll be going to school today. Though I don't have any class today, but I'm heading to school to change my dues, my teller dues that I paid in the bank. So that's what I want to do now. Then meet my project supervisor. Then I'll just head over to a free class and do some reading before going on. Because today I'll be leaving very early today to school. When I'm back obviously. I'll be leaving I think around 3 for fellowship. So from fellowship I'll just stay back for night reading. That's what I plan on doing today. So I need to hurry up to school, do whatever I want to do, and still have time to read and head back home because it seems like I'll need to even because it seems like I'll even need to go to the market to get some things. Yes. So let's go. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. I don't know why my face is kind of white.